I'm going to show how you do filet crochet, and I just found a random grid or like pattern I wanted to do, and here it says 15. So when we do filet crochet, we do like boxes, so you have to multiply it with 2 or 3. I will do 3, and the size of the pattern will depend on how big crochet needle you have. So I did 15 multiplied with 3, that's 45. So you have to chain 45 chains. As you can see, one like square is like one box, and you will have to skip 2 chains when you do the boxes. And I will do double crochet, and here I'm like marking left and right, but this is a symmetrical grid or like pattern, so it's not that necessary doing what I do, but if you have an asymmetrical pattern, you should do what I do with left and right to understand where you are. Because now I'm just chaining 45. When you have chained 45, you will chain some more chains, and then you want to skip 2 chains and do a double crochet, and that's like one box from the pattern here. And the first row is just making boxes. So when you come to 45, you just do some more chains, and then you make boxes with skipping 2 chains, do a double crochet like this, and then you have to chain 2 and skip 2 chains, double crochet, chain 2, skip 2 chains, double crochet, and you repeat this. So I chain 2, skip 2 chains, then do a double crochet, chain 2, skip 2 chains, do a double crochet, because these is other boxes from the grid. As you can see, I mark where I am with the colors. Like now I'm on my first row, and that's red because red was to the left, or was it to the right? But it depends more when you have an asymmetrical pattern. This is not asymmetrical, this is symmetrical, so that it's not that important to have these lines. But if you have asymmetrical, you should have these lines to know where you are in the picture or the pattern. But still, I'm just doing the first row. And when you do the boxes, you want to have 15 boxes, as you can see, because I multiply with 3 and then you skip 2, so you will have 15 boxes, just like the grid we have here. Yeah, so just make sure that you have 15 boxes. I do believe that I kind of mess up a little with the pattern, but this is just me showing the technique, so just remember to count how many boxes you have each round technically to have it even. But yeah. So now we are in our second round, and as you can see at the pattern, there's like pink, and that kind of means it means that we're gonna fill the boxes. So we are gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, like empty boxes, like we did before, the row before, and then after that you want to fill 2 of the boxes with doing 2 crochets in the box, because you chain 2, so there will be 2 double crochet in the chains, as you can see. So now I want to do 2 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet into the actual like double crochet again, because you want to fill the boxes, and then you want to chain 2, and then you want to go right into the next double crochet to make a box, empty box, and you want to chain 2 again and make an empty box again. But as you can see, I fill the gap, or like the box, with double crochet, 2 double crochet, because there's 2 chains between the double crochets. So now I do the same thing, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, and that's the empty boxes we have on the grid. And after that, we will fill up 2 of the boxes, as you can see. So now I will do 2 double crochet into the box and 1 double crochet into the double crochet, and that's like 1 box. And then I will do 2 double crochet again to fill up the box and 1 double crochet in the double crochet, and that will be like the second box on the grid here. So now on my 3rd round, and I will just turn my work as normal, and I will do 3 empty boxes, and then I will fill the next box. So I will do 3 empty boxes. We're just doing double crochet, 2 chains, double crochet, and after that I will fill the next box with 2 double crochets, and then 1 double crochet into the double crochet. And as you can see, when we come to the filled boxes from the last row, you just do 1 double crochet in each double crochet. So 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. And as you can see, there's like 1 empty box in the middle, so you have to do that one too. So now I'm chaining 2 and doing the 1 empty box, and you just literally just count the boxes in the grid as to see where you are, or like how many filled boxes you need and empty boxes, because the purple boxes on the grid is the empty ones and the pink ones are the filled one. So you just go back and forth like this, and remember counting and remembering, like marking where you are with the grid. So here's just me showing, and I kind of ran out of the original yarn, so I just switched yarns, like color of yarn. But here I'm showing like where I was and how I did it, like just showing how I go from right, left, because you're turning your work. But yeah, it's a very easy pattern because it's symmetrical, because then it will be not like hard to know where you are. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's not the best, it's kind of wonky. But if you want to do a symmetrical pattern, this is one I did actually. This is 50, I already counted, and I multiply with 2, so I would have to make 150 chains, and I did that. But when I'm just multiplying with 2, I just skip 1 chain, and I just chain 1 when I do the boxes, okay? And then I just make 1 chain in the empty boxes, that I'm gonna fill, okay? And here is left and right, and this is very important when you do asymmetrical, that you have the left and right system, because as you can see, it's not symmetrical on both sides, of course. So here's like left is the red one, right is the, so I'm going first left and then a right, left, and here is the important part when it's asymmetrical, to have the structure where you are when it's left and right, or the pattern will look bad and wonky because it doesn't align, you know. So yeah, so this is just showing kind of how you do it with asymmetrical, with the like pattern with left and right. So yeah.